Hey guys, this is a very great news to all importers. For those of us that be finding it so difficult, all right, to successfully log in with our maybe with our number, based on due to some restriction. Most Africans like Nigeria, within Nigeria, we can't even log in to even sign up for our Pinduoduo account with our own number. But based on the way of the marketing, and the strategies of how we all the Africans, because we normally do more business with the Chinas, okay, with this for China people. So now they have decided to add a new functions on Pinduoduo. Guys, this is a great news to us, all right? This is a very great news. So recently, they have successfully had this thing called Google. You can use your Google account now to log in. As you can see, this is my um, brand new Pinduoduo. All right, I just installed. So look at it. I will tap on it. So are you seeing it? So this is it. Okay. When you click on your 1688, after everything, just click it. When you click it, all right, it's going to show something like this. All right, it's going to show the interface. The interface is going to show up like this. The place you are going to click is this particular place. Please watch carefully. Are you seeing it? This place. When you click it, all right, is there that you're going to see the functions of what I'm saying. You can also log in with even your Facebook now. If you are from any part of the world, any part of the Africa country you are from, if you are from South Africa, Zambia, Kenya, any part of the country now, you can log in successfully and pay your Chinese suppliers seamlessly. All right, this is a very great news, guys. So, like what I said, you are going to click that particular place I am talking about. When you click it, all right, you can see it now. This is your Facebook. This is your Facebook. This is your Google. This is your WeChat. This is number. Have you seen it? These options here, we have about four options. You can either log in, sign up with your Facebook or your Google account or your WeChat. This WeChat means that you can, if you have WeChat, all right, you can just click on the WeChat. It will automatically create an account on Pinduoduo. That is it, yes. So, but if you don't have now, no problem. You can still sign up with your Google account. That is how you are seeing it now. The China people now, they have seen that yes, with the Africans, yeah, we are doing more business with them. So they decided to put it for it to be more convenient for us to be using right now. So this is a great news, guys. This is a great news, a very great news. Not too long they had these functions on it. So I said I should decide. I just decided to share this with you guys. Are you seeing? If you want to log in now with your Facebook, you can log in. This is the Facebook. You can log in. When you click the Facebook, it's going to take you straight to your Facebook. But for this purpose of this video, I will not be using my Facebook. I will be using the Google account. This is the Google account. After the Facebook is the Google. Are you seeing it? This is the Google account. So if I should click this Google account now, it is going to take me to my email. All right, so it's just for me to just use my email to log in successfully. This is very simple as ABCD. As ABC is very simple, guys. It's very simple. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe. And also, you are going to be seeing my WhatsApp channel. I will be dropping in the description down below. Okay, do well to join the channel because I'll be dropping some updates, all right, updates that businesses you can start with little capital, things that you can start to import and make tons of money. All right, please do well to subscribe to this channel and God bless you as you do that. Thanks for watching as well. So for my returning subscribers, thank you. Okay, this is the voice of the leisure reporter. Thank you all. I really appreciate you all for you guys. Okay, whenever any question you have, do wait to ask me any questions. All right, do wait to ask me because although I know I'll be a little busy these days with some other businesses offline, so but I promise to be giving you guys good updates. All right, don't forget to follow this YouTube channel. And any question, okay, do wait to ask. So now we are going to be tapping on this Google. All right, when you tap it, you are going to see it. So I'm going to choose any of the one that I'm going to. So you see this number one, I'm going to choose it. I tap on that one. Are you seeing it? So I will wait for it to load. This is it, guys. All right. I'm going to wait for it to load. So you can see it now. It is loading. All right. So so are you seeing it? So you can see it now. All right. So that is how to successfully log in. What I just did there just now, you see, all right. That place you just see now. But if you have, I just check something. That place that you have seen just now that they said I should add number to it. I just check if they have added Nigerian number, but not like Nigerian number. We only have Ghana, some other Africa country there, which of course they are allowed to use their phone number. So you can see now we are successfully logged into Pinduoduo. You can see, look at it now. This is, are you seeing it? Are you seeing it, guys? So this is the brand new Pinduoduo we just got now. Okay, you can see any product. Look at this place that you are seeing. This place is saying, look at this particular place. Look, I want to show you. Are you seeing where the arrow is pointing? This place now. Are you seeing it? Please watch carefully if I should click it. This particular place is saying your location, which is the warehouse address. Let me go back again. Are you seeing it? I just want to show you guys something. This place here is this is your warehouse address. If you have your warehouse address, it's very simple, guys. Okay, it's very simple. You just click it. You click the under there. This place, you are seeing it. This place now, are you seeing it? You are going to click it. Okay, when you click it like this, okay, are you seeing it? It's going to add automatic. If you copy it and you click this place, everything is going to show here. You just tap on this button, which is this place. So your warehouse address in China, which of course you are going to be needing that warehouse address because anything you purchase or anything you buy here this on this platform, this site, on this Pinduoduo, okay, yeah, your which is your supplier is going to take it to that place. So I'm going to arrange other video on a proper one. Although I have one, if you go through my channel, you're going to see it how to add your this thing, okay, how to add your warehouse address. All right. So there are a lot of things, guys. Okay, you can see a lot of things, a lot of things, a lot of things. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Please, for those of you that is watching, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, it helps me, okay, for me to show you guys, for you to just subscribe to my channel, follow me, comment anything you don't understand. Okay, you can kindly ask me question. All right, this is an umbrella. If you want to buy, for instance, you want to buy this now, because now we have not bound our accounts, our payment method now. That is other one that I'm going to be doing, which of course it's very simple. You can pay with your WeChat Pay, you can pay with your debit card. Are you seeing it? So China, everything now is very, very simple. Now look at it now. Are you seeing it? You can pay with your Visa card here if you want to add it. It's very simple. So these are very simple. You just click on that with the place, that this debit. When you click on the debit, you click this particular place. It's very simple. Click it. Okay. When you click it, it's very simple. Very, very simple. Okay, guys. You just click it. That debit place that I click. Are you seeing it? This thing is going to ask you your card. Are you seeing this is your card number? Anything you don't understand, just screenshot it and take it to your Google Translator. It's very simple. That is how you add all your details of your card, your normal card, your bank card, your add data. After you add everything, just press this particular place. You have saved it. You continue your shopping. Okay. So that is how to do it. But if you have Alipay, you can use your Alipay. If you have WeChat Pay, you can use it. For me, I use my WeChat and I also use my Alipay to pay. All right. Okay, so this is your Alipay. If you want to pay this, your Alipay. So this is very, very simple, guys. Please follow me for more, guys. Follow me for more because I'll be dropping back to back video soon. All right. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you guys. If you found value in this video, please don't forget to follow this channel. This is a great news for us with important right now. Now we can successfully log in with our Google account, which is very, very amazing. Thank you guys for watching, and this is the end of the video. Thank you. I really appreciate you for watching, guys. Thank you so much.